Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 2, Hardware and Operating System. In previous session I already explained you the parts of hardware, basic input devices, then computer memory. Then today we are going to learn topic number 9, BIOS, software and booting. First of all, I explain you what is BIOS and the full form of BIOS. So BIOS, the full form of BIOS means Basic Input Output System. And what is BIOS? So here I explain you. When we switch on a computer, a software called BIOS start or boot the computer. This software is reside on a small chip is called ROM or a flash memory. And ROM, the full form of ROM is read only memory, and ROM is a part of the motherboard, and ROM store the data all times. It means if your light is off, then this time the ROM is store your computer data. When you push or pull on the power to your PC, there are absolutely no instruction in memory for the PC to execute. Do you know what it means memory? Memory, it means refer to a device that is used to store information for immediate use in a computer or related computer hardware devices. Memory, it means immediately use all the data stored into the memory. The importance of the PC's BIOS is that it perform all of the function the PC need to get started. Before starting BIOS system, first of all we must be start our PC. The BIOS contain that first instruction the computer need to get start programming that checks that computer's hardware is attached and ready, and other routines to help the computer get up and running. BIOS check whether all the hardware units are working. When we switch on a computer, we see many messages informing us about the status of the hardware. It means if we start our PC, then some messages are displayed in our system. So these messages are from our BIOS system. Here, look at in this picture. The first picture is normal screen of BIOS. It means your PC is getting start in BIOS process. Then this is the first picture. Then if in PC error, so this is your error of a BIOS. If a hardware component is not working, then the BIOS gives the error message. Suppose hardware is not working means if in your PC the keyboard is not working, mouse is not working, your CPU is not working, then the BIOS gives the corresponding error message. Look at in this picture, this is the error message. Mount of file system failed. The most important role of BIOS is to load the OS. Do you know what is operating system OS? The operating system has been loaded into memory. We can start using the computer, and the OS is responsible for managing a computer hardware and software resources. Our operating system are manage a computer's hardware and software. Understood? It's called a OS. When you turn on your computer, the CPU needs instruction to locate the operating system on the hard disk. The BIOS provides those instructions. BIOS is the first software that runs on a computer when it is switched on. अब BIOS वो सबसे पहला ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जब आपके पीसी स्टार्ट होता है तब वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है. The first take of BIOS is to identify and initialize devices such as display card, keyboard, mouse and hard disk. मीन्स जब BIOS प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होती है तो सबसे पहले वो इनिशियल डिवाइस का आइडेंटिफाई करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. वो डिवाइसेस है डिस्प्ले कार्ड, कीबोर्ड, माउस एंड हार्ड डिस्क, CD ड्राइव एंड अदर हार्डवेयर. Its next task is to load the operating system. Then after the BIOS work is starting to load the OS. OS means operating system, and operating system work is manage the computer hardware and software which is on a hard disk or a CD into memory. Your OS is stored in your CPU box. BIOS gives control of the computer to the OS. BIOS work is give the control of computer OS means वो कंप्यूटर की OS का कंट्रोलिंग करता है. Who? BIOS system. This process is known as booting. वो प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? बूटिंग प्रोसेस. BIOS is usually stored on a flash memory or a ROM on the motherboard. Flash memory provides fast and permanent storage. Why it is called flash memory? Because it stores the data in fast and permanent storage. That's the reason the ROM called a flash memory. It can be easily updated. Some of the other devices where flash memory is used are digital camera and gaming devices. Now move your next topic, operating system, OS. OS is a software that is installed on the hard disk. OS is responsible for managing a computer's hardware and software resources. The work of OS is to manage computer's hardware and software resource. When we work on a Word document, print and email, use the internet browser, at the same time, is it the OS that manage all these action? जैसे कि हम वर्ड में कुछ टाइपिंग करते हैं, ईमेल को प्रिंट करते हैं, इंटरनेट की मदद से कुछ सर्च करते हैं, तो वही टाइम पे हमारा जो वर्क है वो कौन एक्सेस करेगा? OS. कौन मैनेज करेगा? आवर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. These programs need the CPU to do their task. They also need memory, storage, and the ability to send message to input-output device, such a mouse and printer to accomplish their task. The OS is responsible for handling these application. मीन्स जब प्रिंटर और माउस को उसका वर्क कंप्लीट करना है तो वही टाइम पे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वो सारी एप्लीकेशंस को हैंडल करता है. The OS is responsible for managing a computer's hardware and software resources. Hardware resources, it means monitor, CPU, computer, mouse, keyboard, hard disk, CD-ROM, CD drive, they all are the hardware resources, and software resources means WordPad, Notepad, they all are your software part. It controls the memory need for computer process. The OS work is to control the memory of computer process. The disk space, the peripheral device and user communication with the computer. The difference between BIOS and OS is that BIOS has very limited instruction at the end of booting process. मीन्स जब भी बूटिंग की प्रोसेस एंडिंग होती है वही टाइम पे बायोस की इंस्ट्रक्शन लिमिटेड होती है एंड बायोस हैंड्स ओवर द कंट्रोल टू ओएस. वही टाइम पे बायोस अपना कंट्रोल का वर्क ओएस सिस्टम को सेंड कर लेती. एक्शन फ्रॉम यूजर लॉग इन टू एप्लीकेशन एग्जीक्यूशंस इनपुट आउटपुट प्रोसेसिंग एंड डिवाइस control are handled by the OS. These all actions are controlled by our operating system. Input, output, processing, login into application, they all actions are handled by the OS, operating system. Operating system is software that is installed on the hardware. Hard disk. There are many systems available, for example Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian, Windows, Windows 7 and Windows 8 and Mac OS. These all are the types of our operating system. The operating system loads at the end of the booting process. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम अपना लोडिंग का वर्क जब बूटिंग प्रोसेस एंड होती है तब वो लोडिंग का वर्क स्टार्ट करती है. फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट इट कंट्रोल्स द वे इन विच द कंप्यूटर फंक्शन. मोबाइल ओएस इज इंटीग्रेट द फीचर्स ऑफ ए पर्सनल कंप्यूटर फॉर स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस सच एज स्मार्टफोन्स, टैबलेट, computers with added applications such as a touch screen, camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and scanner. Android, Windows and iOS are some popular mobile OS. You everyone write down your worksheet in your computer textbook. If you have computer textbook, then you can write in your textbook. But if you don't have, then you can write this exercise in your notebook. Question number 1. Classify the following as hardware or software. Write H or S next to each word. It means here if anything is hardware, then you can write H, and if anything is software, you can write S. Motherboard is hardware, so here I write H. Monitor is also hardware. Window is also your software, so here you write your S. Ubuntu is also your software, so here you can write S. Next, pen drive. So pen drive is your hardware. So here you write H. RAM. RAM it is also your hardware. So you write H. ROM. ROM is also your hardware. You write H. TuxPaint it is a software. You write S. Internet browser it is also your software. You write S. Keyboard. Keyboard is your hardware part. So you can write H. Hard disk. Hard disk is also your hardware. Here you write H. Now here cell phone. So cell phone is also your hardware. You can write H. Scratch program it is a software. So you can write S. Printer is also your hardware part. So you can write H. Scanner is also your hardware part. You can write H. Webcam is also your hardware. You can write H. CD is also your hardware. You can write H. QuickTime player. So QuickTime player it's your software. So here you write S. Now next, filling the blanks. Identify and label the following pictures using the list given below. Hard disk, motherboard, pen drive, RAM, power supply, flash memory, scanner, CD drive and CD. You can identify this picture and then after here you can write. So what is the first? First one is hard disk. So here in your first question, filling blanks you write hard disk. Second one is motherboard. So in second question you write motherboard. Third one is your RAM. So here you write RAM. Fourth one is your scanner picture. So here you write scanner. Fifth one is your CD drive. So here you write CD drive. And last one is your power supply. So here you write power supply. POWERSUPPLY. Power supply. Next question B. Filling the blanks with words from the list of labels given in A. A में जो labels दिया है this is. So from this label you can fill this. B. Filling the blanks. The documents and content that we create an application like word processor and Scratch are stored on the where these all applications are stored. They all are stored on the hard disk. So in your filling the blanks you can write hard disk. HARDDISK. Hard disk. Now second filling the blanks. The filling the blanks is the computer's main circuit board which holds the CPU. Who is the main circuit board in your computer? So motherboard. Your answer is motherboard. 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 Then question 3. To back up your data, you can use a filling the blanks. If you want your backup data, then which hardware you can use? Pen drive and hard disk. So here in your blanks you can write PENDRIVE, pen drive, and HARD, hard, disk, disk. Question number 4. The filling the blanks is an example of a peripheral device that is used to scan documents and photographs. If you want to scan something, photographs, and which hardware portion you use? Scanner. Which scanner? SCANNER. Scanner. Then last, the filling the blanks unit sends power through the cables to the motherboard and other component. Which hardware you use? Power supply. So with the use of power supply, the power send power through the cable to the motherboard and the other component. Power supply. Your answer is power supply. POWERSUPPLY. Power supply. Filling the blanks is a computer's temporary memory. Who is the temporary memory of computer? So your answer is RAM. RAM. Next, the software which initialize major hardware component of the computer reside in a filling the blanks. So your answer is BIOS. 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 Question number 3. Play Scrabble. Choose letter from the Scrabble rack and unscrabble them to answer the clues as shown in the example below. It means यहीं पे आपको सारे वर्ड अनस्क्रेबल के करके दिया है तो आपको उसको अरेंज करना है. You normally do this to keep a copy of important documents. So your answer is backup. Computer use this system to store information digitally. So here you write binary. BINARY. Its resolution can be changed for picture clarity. So here you write monitor. MONITOR. This is the storage area for active application. Here you write memory. Everything are stored into computer memory. So here your answer MEMORY. Memory. Question 4. Tick the options which are not a function of a operating system. It controls the memory need for various process. So it is wrong. It controls the peripheral device. So this is the wrong sentence. It is the first software that runs when a computer is switched on. So this is the function of an operating system. So here in C you can tick mark. In D, it manages the user's communication with the computer. So here your fifth, filling the missing information. Component and unit of measurement. So monitor screen measurement pixel. Size of the monitor inches. INCHES inch. Microprocessor speed gigahertz. GHz-MHz gigahertz and megahertz. Okay. Next, what are two ways to store data in each of the following case? Neela is working on a presentation at home. Tomorrow she has to take it to her office and give the presentation. Her computer has an internet connection. CD DVD drive, USB port. Her company also has internet connection at that premise. How Neela store your data? So with the use of email, Neela send her data to his office. Next, Parul is doing her homework on her home computer, which does not have an internet connection. She has to take the work to school and show it to her teacher. So here the answer is pen drive, CD and external hard disk. She is writing and easy using the word processor on a computer. In this school, he wants to take the easy home to work on it. The computer does not have a CD, DVD drive, but has an USB port. It also has an internet connection. So question number 7. Tanvi has typed a story and saved it on the computer. Where will the data get saved? In hard disk. B. If she is not editing the story without saving it, where will the data be kept? So all the data kept into RAM. While she was working, the power suddenly went off. What could happen to the edited information? Pick all the correct answer. So here you can tick on 1 and 3rd number answer. Now filling the crossword. A user interact with the computer using filling the blanks devices. So user interact with the computer using peripheral devices. And now in your 4th question, filling the blanks, the sharpness of the display increases as the resolution increases. And here you can write your right answer. 1 number PORTS, ports. 2nd peripheral. 2nd RAM. 3rd CPU. 3rd backup, resolution. Then here you write motherboard. Okay. Where are the following stored on a computer? Software and store on. Application software store on hard disk. By store on ROM or flash memory. Operating system store on hard disk. And unsaved data in word processor store on RAM. Then your question number 10 I send into your homework material. You can write yourself. Thanks. Have a nice day.